You see, one thing about me is that I don't pretend. Whatever is bothering me, I say it. I don't understand why some people are so ungrateful. You, nobody knew in the industry. I took your hands into the game. And you even call me Godfather. Rosemont Bro, Akuapem Poloo. Stop the nonsense gossiping. What is wrong with you? I've been messaging you, calling you, are not picking up because you're in Nigeria. Listen, I'm putting it on Instagram because I know you will see it. So this is straight to you. Take my name out of your mouth. Makachina.
DKB, I know you're my godfather, but you know Poloo here don't lie. I say things the way it is. The whole Ghana knows this. Within 24 hours, if you don't apologize to me, I'll let the whole world knows what you did to that lady and what you did to Nana Aba Anamoah and Pappy Kojo. Try me. Guys, I'm going to go on live around 2 p.m. if he doesn't apologize to me. You think I'm scared? If they pay you, you have to apologize to me.
Hey, Akuapem Poloo, you don't like peace. You don't like peace, trust me. Don't let people hype you for you to end up in trouble, because you always end up in trouble. And listen, me. I'm headed to the CID headquarters. I'm going to file for defamation, causing public loss of confidence in my name and a possible libel. So let people gas you up. And I hear some unintelligent people say, DKB is always fighting men. I don't care if it's a man or woman. If you piss me off, I'll deal with you. I don't discriminate. So you say 2 p.m. It's too late. Hurry up and do it now. Nonsense.
Rose, I don't even know what to do right now, because he's someone I used to look up to, and for the past 3 years that I became a Akuapem Poloo, he held me, supported me, introduced me to some brands to do promo for them. But that doesn't mean that when you go wrong, I can't, because I'm your kid sister or your goddaughter, I can't talk. And I respect you so well that I couldn't say it to your face. So I told someone who is close to you, who can tell you. And definitely the person didn't complain to you, the person didn't tell you till I got to Nigeria. And because I'm in Nigeria, he thinks he can say things. No, I won't allow that. I didn't do any gossip. I never gossip about DKB. I will never gossip about DKB. I will never gossip about him for nothing. I say things the way it is. I say things the way it is. Here is the point that I saw you do a video last night and posted. I woke up and people were tagging me in. So I did a video that you need to apologize to me, because DKB, you know so well that whatever I told whoever came to tell you was the fact, was the truth. Was the truth. And Ghana, you know that every information, Poloo has it. And anything I say is the truth. It happens. It happens. I don't lie. Oh yes, I told you I'm here with my sister. I'm not just talking to myself, I'm talking to my sister. She's also Rosie. Yes, she's Rosie. My roommate, my sister, my advisor as well. If you don't know, yes. Since I came to Ghana, she has been advising me, telling me what to do and what not to do. That is why when I saw the second video, I have to come online to explain myself, for you people to know that I never gossip about DKB. I will never gossip about him for anything. I just said the truth. I just said what he did to her, whoever told him. Yes, you are making my English come. I'm telling you, you are really making my English come, DKB. Just go and delete that video you just did, because you are provoking me. It's true you are my godfather. I respect you so well, but please, I'm here to expose you, what you did to that lady. And I'm going to mention that lady's name right here. The whole Ghana will know what you did to her. Whatever you did to Nana Aba Anamoah, whatever you did to Pappy Kojo, I would say it, because that is you. And the whole Ghana knows what you do. What you do to ladies. You abuse ladies, Ghanaian ladies. You abuse Ghanaian ladies in your own way. Your own way. DKB, show your face. Show your face, because I told you today in my live video, I will expose you. You did first video, I told you apologize to me. Do a video and apologize to me, because you knew whatever I said to whoever came to tell you was the truth. And I knew the person would come and tell you. That's why I told the person, because the person is so close to you. Poloo is not scared of anyone, because I know I speak the truth. You are my godfather doesn't mean that when you go wrong, I can't comment. I can comment. Papa, please, show
Show your face. Show your face, DKB. Why are you hiding your face? Because I'm ready to spit it. I'm so ready to spit it. Please, 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 please. DKB, I need you right here because I don't have time. I don't have time. I don't want to say anything that someone will come and tell you and you'll feel offended. I want you to hear it so that you know that whatever I'm saying is the truth. And you will stop saying you are taking me to headquarters or wherever. Because you know very well that whatever I'm saying right now is the truth. Is the truth. Sis, please come and help me. I'm watching. I want to know if the person has requested to come to be in my life because I'm not seeing. And I'm not, you know, I'm not graduate. The person is DKB Ghana. The person is called DKB Ghana. Whether he likes it or not, I have to ask for me. It's good I'm here in this room with you. DKB, show your face. I'm under my blanket. Sis, how do you call this one, man? How do you call this? DKB, DKB, DKB,
What is it?
DKB, DKB. You know I respect you so well.
What
I
is it?
respect you so.
So
Please,
what?
I
So
beg.
what?
Stop saying that I'm doing gossiping.
Respect.
DKB, DKB, DKB. I respect you. You're my godfather. You're
Have
my
I told you I want
everything.
this?
My advisor. You always put me.
I mean, I'm at the CID headquarters, so be careful. Be careful what you say.
Listen, and you know I'm not scared. Because whatever you did that I told whoever came to tell you was truth.
Talk.
Was
Polo,
truth.
talk.
I said the truth.
Akuapem Poloo, talk.
Truth.
What truth do you have? Talk.
I don't want to do anything that you say I'm disrespecting you because
you've
been so good to me.
The disrespect. What you are doing is all disrespect already. What you are doing is all disrespect.
You see, that's why I kept quiet. I needed apology from you.
So why didn't you pick your call yesterday? Why didn't you pick your call yesterday?
Why do I have to pick? I'm in Nigeria. Can't you see that?
So then why are you talking now? If you don't know why you have to pick a call.
What you taught me and how far you pushed me has brought me to Nigeria. That doesn't mean that I shouldn't comment when you do something wrong.
Why didn't you pick your call? And you are now on Instagram Live. Why?
I'm in Nigeria. My Ghana line is not working. My Ghana line, yes, can't you see I'm slanging now? My Ghana line is not working.
Polo, I am here. Talk.
No, I want to give you that respect. Please, you yourself, speak what you did. Let them know. Because if I should start now, I don't want to say something that you feel like I'm disrespecting you.
I am counting to 5. Say what you want to say. 5.
DKB, you have to apologize to me. You have to apologize. Because look at the people watching.
4.
If I should speak what you did, DKB, apologize. Stop discounting.
3.
Apologize. Apologize. Stop pushing me to the wall.
2.
Stop pushing me to the wall. DKB. DKB.
1.
So you can't apologize to me.
Akuapem Poloo. Track it, baby, track it, baby, track it. What's money?
We got it.
Hey, Yabra was Ghana. Akuapem Poloo.
Sis, help me tell them Akuapem.
Akuapem Poloo to the whole Ghana.
My daddy.
My baby. Ghana people are gossip. Why you agree? Track it.
I checked my sister. She's hurt. She's hurt. You know, I actually made her believe it. So she was also waiting.
You made her believe it?
She was waiting. She was waiting.
Can you imagine?
She's beating me already.
See, I mean, CID headquarters.
She's angry. Oh, look at the thing. She's beating me with the pillow. She was on.
It's 1st April. What did she think?
I swear.
It's 1st April. What did she think? See, you know what?
Family,
You know, let me read some of the comments. Let me read some of the comments.
Familia is disappointed.
Familia, why is Familia?
He's here. He's disappointed.
He passed off.
He passed off.
Familia, you say nothing you get. Now the beef you won't get. You say nothing you get. Now the beef you won't get. Somebody say, hey, you people.
He
Hey,
I'm on get Familia.
Original Makafu say he made my day. Sorry, bloggers, no news for you. A rapper step.
He's shocked. He's shocked. Oh, my legend. Thank you so much.
CID headquarters with red curtains.
Thank you so much, my legend.
Don't they have curtains?
That song was good. We got them.
Hey,
we got them.
Ghana for air.
See, my sister is so angry. Oh, she wants to stone me now.
It's 1st April, Joe. It's 1st April. Waiting. It's 1st April.
He pen him.
He pay. Say you like beef. She likes beef now.
Do you know she was actually fighting for me on my page because people were insulting me there? So she was fighting people with her comments under there for
all
me. All
those people who are insulting you, we are going to block all of them.
Oh, block them. I
tell you. Let me read some of the comments. When I first posted my video,
all right.
It's just that the guy is so silly. She said, let me pass. Now Jesus is about to die.
Oh
my God. Somebody, Glitterati is a friend of mine.
Hey, Pappy kojo is here.
Where's Pappy?
Pappy is here. He was coming to listen to what you said about him. Pappy is here, my legend. Pappy was coming to listen. Okay. You know.
Yo, everybody stream Pappy Kojo's album, logos too, man. Bad album.
I swear, please, everybody, please, you have to.
Stream his album.
Yes, his new
album. His album is the official album for the April Fool.